Hello. Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you the new update on how to get the new update hoover junkers. This one right here on how to get this one. So I'm going to show you guys how to get hoover junkers. Just told you that. So you don't want to go on the streets. The streets right here. So yeah. Gonna have to go on the streets right here. It takes a long time to load. Alright. Wait for it. It's gonna load. It's gonna load. Wait for it. 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 Wait. Just, there we go. I don't know why it took such a long time to load. But, yeah. So you're gonna want to come down here and just basically,
All null entities have been placed in temporary hibernation state.
just go over here. I'm gonna show you in just a second. It's gonna take a little while for me to get over there though, so.
Secure inbound and outbound shipments appropriately.
Alright. Go through these doors. Kill him. Go through here. Hold on. Wait, just one second. There we go. Okay. So you're gonna do everything like how you would normally do. So you're gonna, well, not everything how you normally do. Just do this part how you normally do.
Thank you for doing your part to keep Midwest right for your church traumas.
Oh, I forgot I needed this right here. Alright, and then just disable this guy over here. Alright, then go over here and like get the keys or whatever. Get these keys. Get the key. Here it is. So you're gonna get the key, go through the doors. Alright. Go through these doors over here.
Permanent ban issued to guests and crimes.
This might take a little while, but you know what, I'll do it the other way. It might take a while the way I'm trying to do it, but I'll do the other way. Wait, which way am I going? Am I going the right way? No, I'm not going the right way. I'm supposed to go through here. If the door isn't open, then I'm just gonna do it the other way. The, like, kind of hard way, but not really that hard. Just gonna kill these people over here. I think I'm gonna die. I have to go. Here we go. Oh, I think the button in here opens the doors out there. There we go. So that closes that door. This opens those doors. So then I need to go out here again, like last time. You guys can go ahead and rewind. Well, not rewind, fast forward, I meant. Yeah, you guys can go ahead and fast forward if you want, because it takes a little while for me to get over here. Alright. So then you're gonna do everything like how you would normally do.
Yo, Arthur, over here. How are you still in the city? The board's calling an emergency meeting for all Monogon employees. All of MythOS is on lockdown. It's crazy over here. I have no idea how you make it.
Guess might be crushed.
Okay. So now, gotta go up here, right? Go up here. Right? Up here. Then you're gonna go up there. And get this box. Oh no. I gotta go back up there then. Just give me a minute. Just give me like 1 second. So you're gonna want to get this box over here, right? Then you got the yellow key. Go in here. Then here it is, right here. What is that? No, here it is, Hoover Junkers. Then you're gonna wanna put this in the bin. Finish the level. Make sure you finish the level. Make sure you finish the level. The level. Yeah, make sure you finish the level. And then you'll have Hoover Junkers. So yeah. Like, subscribe, and you can look at my channel if you want, yeah. So like, subscribe, bell, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.